Our Tuia kaupapa is all about that koro Tuia, ki runga Tuia, ki raro Tuia, ka tangata. And what that talks about is bringing all these threads from above, from below, and the threads of humanity that make us who we are. And as we voyage around the motu, we've seen some fantastic examples of that. Here in Wellington, with shared speaking responsibilities with Te Atiawa and Ngāti Toa, and also even in Meretoto we had a really great time where the iwi managed the numerous iwi that occupy Te Taui or Te Whanganui, getting together and working out a kawa, a system, a protocol where they were able to work collectively to welcome the flotilla and everybody else. And so it's become a great way of bringing people together, getting iwi to work out ways of how they can achieve a way of welcoming people collectively to their rohe, a way of bringing all those stories together, weaving them together, and truly understanding what this koro of Tuia Te Whakatangata really is all about.